Hello, Information Officer Mike DeFries with the Cameron Peak Fire. I'm here in Glen Haven, which is part of Division X-Ray Yankee on the fire. And it has been a snowy, slick day throughout this division and in many other parts of the fire area. Earlier this morning, our incident meteorologist, Stephen Ippoliti, noticed weather models showing more snow would be falling than earlier predicted, and that is what happened, especially a little bit higher up. The division supervisor here sent me a video clip that he took while two of them were driving up Cedar Park Road earlier. And not only is that a super steep road, but it is super slick today. And that's just what it was like up there. So the decision was made to pull everybody, all fire personnel, off the hill in this particular division. And that is obviously for safety. There are activities that can just take place on another day when weather conditions allow. They were planning on some chipping operations here, in other repair-related activities, but the piles of slash themselves have snow on them and more snow falling. So that didn't happen today. But again, some good news here as far as precipitation goes.